Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a flip over quick weave. This is probably like the quickest tutorial I've ever filmed or edited. Like, honestly, this video is 5 minutes long. So if you're looking for how to do track placement on flip over quick weave, this is the video for you. So I'm going to start off by doing a braid down. The hair she's using is curly, so I'm really just doing some big braids because it really don't matter. You know, you want the curly hair to be a little volumized anyway, so I'm not like doing super flat braid down braids. I'm really just throwing in some big braids in here just to, you know, get her hair all together, so I can put this cap on top of it. And again, it's okay that there's a little hump in the back because again, this is curly hair. If she was doing straight hair, believe me, I would have braided down a little bit better, so you know, it can have a flat surface. But the top is flat, the back, you know, you see them braids just a little bit bigger. It's okay because the hair is curly, all right? So we're gonna start out with this black cap. We're gonna go ahead and put this Wander Weave solution on here. This is what helps to remove the quick weave when it's time to take it off. This solution is water reactive, so my clients already know when it's time to take off this quick weave, baby, just stick your head up under that water and the whole cap is gonna come off, all right? Love this solution. If you're doing a quick weave, it's a must-have. You need it. Don't do no quick weave without this solution. The more expensive version is called Morning Glory. That's what everybody used to use growing up. But you need this solution to do a quick weave. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and set her up under the dryer. Make sure that that cap dries with that solution on there. And then I'm going to start placing these tracks in the back. I love a quick weave because literally it takes maximum 20 minutes to lay the tracks. And that's a long time. It normally don't take that long. This quick weave was very quick and fast because it was curly. So I just, you know, braided down that leave out that she has in the front, put the cap on, glued these tracks on, cut the cap off, and then I curl wand her real hair to kind of mimic this texture. She loved the sew-in. She loved this quick weave. She actually just booked the sew-in version of it. So I think this is a cute little go-to style, especially if you have somewhere to go or you just don't feel like dealing with your hair too much or parts or anything like that. I really think this hairstyle is super cute. So this video will be done here in just a second. I uploaded this and it didn't take that long to edit at all. But again, if you're looking to do a flip over quick weave on yourself or on someone else, this is a great video to see my track placement. You know, she really just wanted to wear it to the side, so I kind of just placed the track so that it would be fuller on one side instead of her having to flip back and forth. But best believe she can if she wanted to. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and get down in the comment box. I'll be sure to get back to you. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. We try to say every Sunday at noon, but you know, I do my best. But in all seriousness, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you can see new hair tutorials every week. And there's a lot for you to learn here, a lot for you to see. I'm a visual learner, so that's why I love to do these videos for other people who can watch somebody do a style or do a service and learn from just watching. So go ahead and check out my other videos, and as usual, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next week. All right, peace.